What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We finally have ourselves a nice day outside. It's like 45 degrees out. It's not the warmest, but it's sunny at least. And today we're going to be installing some LED reverse lights on my Genesis Coupe 3.8. Now, the bulbs that I went with are the Diode Dynamics LED bulbs. They're the XP50s, which are the brightest ones you can get. They said they are much brighter than the stock lights. Now, I have heard that for the install of these lights, you have to take out the whole tail light housing on these cars, but I've done some digging and some research, and I've messed around with it myself a bit, and I've found that you don't have to take out the whole tail light to put these in, or you don't have to take out the whole tail light housing to put the reverse lights in. If you got small enough hands, you can just open up the trunk. I don't have my keys on me, so I can't do it right now, and then pop the flap on the side near the lights, and then just reach your hand back in there and take them out without having to take the whole light out. Like, literally, both of these can probably be installed within under 5 minutes. So I guess let's just go ahead and cut to the chase, and I'll show you guys the install and how to do this. So the first thing you got to do is you got to pop this flap off. It's kind of hard to get off. So basically, you just take the bulb right here and you twist it to unlock it. You'll hear it click, and you just pull it out. Then I want to say you just pull out the old one. I don't think it twists. I think it just pulls straight out. I think it should just pull straight out. Yep, it just pulled straight out. Then the new one. And then the new one just kind of slides right back in there, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it should just pop in. It might have to go like one way or the other. No, I think, yeah, I think it's good. Alright. And then you just put it back in place. I was just saying, there's like a certain slot that you have to put it in there. So it's like a keyway in a way. Once you get it in there, and then it just twists. Yeah. Yep. Just. Now we're gonna test it before we put all this back together, just to make sure it works. Alright. Yeah, it's on. It's a lot brighter. And then basically you just do the same thing on the other side. All right, left side, exact same thing. We just got it installed. We're gonna get everything put back together, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. All right, we just got them both popped in here, and it is a whole lot brighter. Like before, the stock ones, you can't even really see them during the day, honestly. But these ones you can definitely see. Oh yeah, at nighttime these things are gonna shine. And yeah, I guess I'll just show you guys what they look like at nighttime. That's a whole lot brighter now. All right, everybody, as you guys saw, the install for these reverse lights was extremely simple. Like, literally, it could be done with one hand in under 5 minutes for sure. Like, literally, it took us less than 3 minutes to put both of these lights in. Now, there are a few other videos on YouTube. Actually, I believe there's one other video on YouTube about how to change the reverse lights, and they tell you that you have to take out the whole tail light housing, but I'm just here to tell you guys, as you just saw, you do not have to do that. You can literally just open up the trunk, pull back that flap, and pull the bulb out and stick the new one in under 45 seconds, basically. It was super easy, super simple. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. One more thing I just wanted to mention real quick. As you guys saw, the nighttime clip of these lights versus the old ones, these ones are insanely brighter. Like, I'm gonna give you guys a good little look up close. Like, you can definitely tell that there's a different type of bulb sticking out of this thing. Like, it does not look like the stock one at all. This one, like I said, once again, for those who don't remember, this is the XP50s by Diode Dynamics. I got them off Gen Racer, and yeah, that's really all there is to it. That is really going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, do not forget to drop a like and subscribe. Peace out. I will see you guys in the next one.